my creative type is an artist, which I was quite surprised with. Actually fits me pretty well. Yeah, so I studied graphic arts at Liverpool John Lewis. My career path started as I worked for a really small agency in Liverpool. There was 3 of us. Worked there for 2 to 3 years, and then a good friend of mine from university had a studio, so I moved over to work with him because we always wanted to set up. And we worked there for probably 4 years, doing a lot of fashion work, and then we decided after that to set our own studio and we set up Waste. I think having that that partnership from the word go definitely made it an easier transition. Having worked together pretty much through college, university, 4 years in industry, we kind of knew each other inside out, and it felt like actually we were in a position where we knew we had some kind of talent that would turn into a commercial work. So we just kind of made the jump, and I think knowing that, you know, with your mate, you're going to set up maybe on no money for, you know, the first year or whatever, you kind of just felt there's a bit more comfort in that. So yeah.